Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about SNAP-based colleges, the colleges which you can apply through SNAP. Now, SNAP is one exam which comes under Symbiosis, group of colleges, Symbiosis National Aptitude Test, through which you can apply to multiple colleges. There are certain specialized colleges, like you can apply to colleges specially noted for mass communication or for finance, right, or for HR and a couple of things around, right? Okay. So today we'll talk about those specific colleges, which college to apply, what percentile, and a couple of things around. Okay, so let's start quickly on this. Okay, so I'll brief you on this Excel sheet first, right? So I'll give you a feel about this Excel sheet, how it goes about. Okay, so look at this. We have the group of colleges right in front of you. Okay, अगर आप देखेंगे तो colleges with their programs, with their last day to apply in the year 2021, essentially, right? So 2021 का data है, which is there right in front of you. Okay, okay. So just look at it. सबसे पहले आता है SIBM Pune, which is the most the known college, flagship college of Symbiosis group of colleges. Okay, interestingly, SIBM Pune is now in fact known above the new IIMs at times. Okay. Look at it. Look at SIIB Pune, SMHRD. I'm talking about the flagship known colleges. Colleges तो बहुत सारे हैं, no doubt about it. But अगर आप देखेंगे, so there are a couple of colleges which you can look at it, right? Okay, SIBM Bangalore is also one of them. Okay, so what we'll do today is अपन तीन basic, the most flagship colleges for which Symbiosis is known for, अपन discuss करेंगे. We'll be talking about SIBM Pune, we'll be talking about SMHRD, and we'll look at SIBM Bangalore. Okay, so मोटा अगर अपन देखते हैं, so what percentile they look at it? Now percentile in SNAP, right? 98 odd percentile. Okay. Now, when I look at Bangalore, we're talking about 90 odd percentile. Okay. SMHRD 97 odd percentile. Okay. इनके placement figures भी आप लोगों के सामने है, right? So and fees भी सामने है कि कितना fees college charge करता है. Okay. More or less सब कुछ सामने ही है, same है. We'll take it forward now. Okay. So थोड़ा डिटेल में पढ़ते हैं इसको, अपन समझते हैं कि क्या क्या करना है. Okay. तो एक बात ध्यान रखिएगा. SNAP is one of the easiest MBA entrance exam in the all MBA entrance category. Okay, for example, when you look at CAT, SAT, IIFT, a far tougher exam, in comparison to SNAP. In fact, the topics which come in SNAP are very easy to solve. 60 minutes का sweet सा paper है with 3 sections. Okay, LR थोड़ा सा dominant रहता है because LR has 25 questions, over English with 50 questions, and quant with 20 questions, right? So it is pretty solvable easy exam. In fact, student who do not have a great profile, right, जिनको तकलीफ होती है कि भाई कैट में हम नहीं कर पा रहे क्योंकि हमारा प्रोफाइल बहुत स्ट्रांग नहीं है, I think they can look for SNAP, right? In fact, जिसका मैथमेटिक्स स्ट्रांग नहीं है, they can look for SNAP. Not to say that कि it's so easy, it is not that easy as well, but please understand that the paper का जो level है, LOD है, level of difficulty, which is easier than the other exams to talk about it, right? Okay, it's a 60 minutes, 60 question, not 60 question paper, in which LR comes like 25 question, mathematics quant comes for 20 question, and you have English which comes to 15 questions. So this is the way the paper pattern is. Move on to the entire paper pattern. Okay, and a couple of things around. So सबसे पहला college अपन discuss करेंगे, that is SIBM Pune. Okay, this is the most flagship colleges for which people know Symbiosis, right? SIBM Pune, dream होता है लोगों को यहाँ जाना. Reason being, average campus placement 19 odd lakhs. I'm looking at the figure which is last year, COVID times. This is the money they kind of make. Highest salary 30 odd lakhs, 30 plus lakhs. Median also is amazingly good, right? So this is what SIBM Pune commands. Okay, so I think this is one of the biggest reason for you to look at it. Eligibility simple है, 50% graduation में आने चाहिए आपके. Profile नहीं देखी जाती. You should have a good SNAP score. एक स्नैप स्कोर आपका 98 परसेंटाइल के लायक आ जाएगा, which is around 45 plus, 44 plus, I would say that. Okay, अगर 44 plus के आसपास का स्कोर 98 परसेंटाइल के आसपास आप लेके आते हैं, तो you can look at SIBM का कॉल. Okay, right? बैच प्रोफाइल देखेंगे, pretty interesting. जेंडर डाइवर्सिटी बहुत अच्छी खासी है. Okay, look at work experience. 42% जो जनता है यहाँ पे फ्रेशर्स है, तो जो फ्रेशर्स हैं जिनको एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, आई थिंक आप ये देख सकते हैं कि लॉट ऑफ फ्रेशर्स है, राइट? एकेडमिक बैकग्राउंड काफी डाइवर्स है. ओके, राइट? एवरेज वर्क एक्सपीरियंस भी वो 2 साल ही है, तो मोर और लेस इट इज सेम। इनफैक्ट मुझे लगता है कि 13 to 24 मंथ्स ऑफ वर्क एक्सपीरियंस, तो इस तरह के वर्क एक्सपीरियंस वो होते हैं जो शायद पहले एक बार अटेम्प्ट कर चुके होंगे, एंड दे विल बी लुकिंग फॉर री अटेम्प्टिंग द सेम पेपर लाइक नेक्स्ट ईयर। दैट्स व्हाट is the kind of profile you can look at, right? Placements, as I told you, okay, very decent. Average 19 odd lakhs, highest 30 lakhs, median 18 lakhs, right? In fact, in placements also, if you look at sector wise placement, very decent placement, right? Okay, so good part is a batch with good diversity, amazing placements, good city in fact, okay, so you can look at this college. SIBM nahi chhodna chahiye in terms of application, right? Okay, in fact 98 percentile se bhi ghabrana nahi chahiye, because 98 percentile getting in snap is easier than getting 98 in CAT, to be very specific. All right, okay. Now next known college is SMHRD, right? Okay, iske kafi sare programs hai which you can apply for. The first program is MBA flagship. Eligibility same hoti hai, 50% in graduation, right? Again I repeat, Symbiosis के किसी भी कॉलेज में at first go, then don't look for profile. Okay. Placement statistics, in fact, highest placement तो it is more than SIBM Pune. Average is little less. वहाँ पे 19 lakhs थी, यहाँ पे 16.5 lakhs है, right? Median placements भी 15 lakhs है, which is very good. So it's like a value for money. I would talk about it. Okay, right? Look at it. Sector-wise placement देखते हैं तो HR courses 33 lakhs. HR में 33 lakhs is amazing placement. Let me tell you. Sales and marketing 32 lakhs, finance 20 lakhs. SMHRD में दो नए courses भी होते हैं, infrastructure development and management, MBA in infrastructure development and management, and MBA in business analytics. Okay, इसकी eligibility भी different है, right? Okay, highest salary for IDM is 16 lakhs, either it is 22 lakhs. Amazing placements, right? To be very specific about it. Okay, now look at the batch profile, very decent batch profile, right? Freshers 39%, आधी class fresher है more or less, right? Okay, राइट, ऑफ कोर्स हमारी कंट्री में इंजीनियर्स काफी ज्यादा हैं, तो ज्यादातर एकेडमिक बैकग्राउंड इंजीनियरिंग के होते हैं, नॉट टू से दैट कि बाकी लोग नहीं है, काफी डाइवर्स बैच है आपके सामने, इंजीनियरिंग, कॉमर्स, साइंस, आर्ट्स, सब कुछ है। ओके, नाउ लुक एट एमबीए बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स। ये होता क्या है? सी, इट इज नथिंग बट डेटा साइंस, राइट? आज के जमाने में डेटा इज द क्रक्स ऑफ व्हाट वी इवेंचुअली डू अराउंड, राइट? ओके, सो नाउ टू सॉल्व द कॉम्प्लेक्स बिजनेस प्रॉब्लम व्हेन यू यूज डेटा, right, and when you use couple of codes around it, आप Python पढ़ते हो, right, आप statistics पढ़ते हो, आप big data पढ़ते हो, तो ये सारी चीजों को यूज करके when you solve basic business problem, that is called MBA in business analytics. Okay, ये ideally उसी को करना चाहिए, जिसका मैथमेटिक्स थोड़ा ठीक हो, जिसका डेटा पे थोड़ा कंट्रोल हो, कमांड हो, राइट? इसका एलिजिबिलिटी जो है दैट इज ग्रेजुएशन with 50% and you need to have a 2 years of work experience. Number of seats limited है, कम है, 60 है, but again it's an amazing course. In fact, in India, MBA in business analytics is offered by very few good colleges, right? SIBM, sorry, SMHRD is one of them, so do not miss it, right? So I would recommend that look for this particular course. Okay, now the next course is MBA in infrastructure development and management. देखो, आज के ज़माने में in 21st century, infrastructure does not always mean civil engineering, right? In fact, in infrastructure, there are, we look at ecology, we look at ecosystem, we look at a couple of legal compliances. So MBA in infrastructure development and management is the whole sum of infrastructure along with sustainable development, I would typically say, right? Okay, इसका जो eligibility that is majorly engineering in various fields or bachelor of architecture, right? 50% होनी चाहिए आपकी graduation में, apply कर लीजिए इस college को, right? इसका percentile requirement थोड़ा different होगा, flagship course से कम होगा in fact. Okay, now look at the batch profile of MBA in business analytics and IDM. तो आप देखेंगे तो all engineering branches in IDM technically. In fact, freshers सबसे ज्यादा होते हैं. As I told you, the good part is बहुत space है आपके पास. अगर आप fresher हैं या 2 साल का experience है more or less आपके पास. Okay, right? If you're looking at bachelors of business analytics, यहाँ पे normally experience ही जाते हैं. तो experience में भी आप देखेंगे तो major जो case है that is 23 to 35 months सबसे ज्यादा वही है. So that means a decent, homogeneous batch size which you look at it, right? So I think it makes sense for you to apply. Right, placement statistics I told you, काफी decent placement, 22 लाख रुपए average, which is good. Job roles, आप consultant, lateral roles, data scientist, business analyst, management trainee, you can look for such job roles to talk about it, right? And in fact, our sector में the placement exists. So amazing thing to apply and amazing thing to look at it. All right, SIBM Bangalore, right? ये काफी लेवल पे अंडररेटेड कॉलेज है, बट मुझे लगता है कि दिस इज एन अमेजिंग कॉलेज टू टॉक अबाउट इट. इंटरेस्टिंगली SIBM बेंगलुरु का जो एवरेज प्लेसमेंट है वो कम है, in terms of if we compare with SIBM Pune or SMHRD, but highest placement is more than SIBM, more than 32 lakhs, 30 lakhs, I would say that, right? They offer 3 courses. By the way, this is not a new college. 10 साल से ऊपर हो चुके हैं इस college को, right? They offer 3 courses. One is MBA, 50% eligibility है. Graduation में अगर आपके आते हैं तो apply कर सकते हैं. Second is MBA in quantitative finance. This is very interesting course, right? Okay, when you connect higher maths or the advanced math with finance, quantitative finance is essentially born. That's what we will talk about. You know, when you observe a stock market, जो option chain analysis का जन्म हुआ था, that is nothing but quantitative finance. You do financial modeling, right? आप finance को math से add करते हो, and then you develop that data. We call it, MBA in quantitative finance. It is one of the few colleges in the world, I would technically say, which offer such courses. Amazing course, right? इसीलिए इसमें आपको 12th में mathematics होना चाहिए और stats होना चाहिए, right? Okay. क्योंकि ये course बिना maths के होगा नहीं, तो आपको mathematics ठीक होना चाहिए. That is very important. Good course, let me tell you. Okay. Final year people can apply. What do you study? सामने देखो. Financial markets, computational finance, fintech, empirical asset pricing. So typically math-based problems are there, right? Okay. अगर आप math nerd हो, that's an amazing thing to talk about. Not to say only nerds can apply, everybody can apply. Okay. And it is a good course, very good course to apply. Placement statistics भी बहुत अच्छे होंगे इसके. Okay. MBA in business analytics, right? Same thing, but only thing is यहाँ पे आपको work experience की आवश्यकता नहीं है. 50% graduation can work, right? Again, what is business analytics? I told you it is data transformation. Data is the core of it. Data transformation, data warehousing, business intelligence, mathematical model of data science. तो आप data scientist की position में जा सकते हो. तो good course to apply. 90 percentile में, अच्छा snap में 90 percentile इतना difficult नहीं होता लाना. Let me tell you, 38 plus score के आसपास अगर आप देखोगे, मोटा-मोटा if I see it, you can score such percentiles. Okay, right? Now placements देखना चाहते हैं. So look at it. I told you that highest placement is more than SIBM Pune. It was 30 there, it is 32 here. Of course, average and median a little less, but still I would say that it is a good value for money to talk about it. Okay. Now, what we need to look at is Symbiosis 60 questions paper है, 60-minute का paper है, right? In which LR is 25 question, quant is 20 question, and verbal ability is 15 question, right? So basically LR is like a dominant part of the story. Anything above 38 plus score, you can look at all the 3 colleges which I spoke about it, and let me tell you, after CAT, this can be a very safer ground for you to look at it. So इसमें किसी भी college को मेरे हिसाब से आपको छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए. We'll be talking about a couple of more colleges in coming videos. I think there is college which is specialized in finance, SSBF, mass comics को अच्छा लगता है, we have SIMC, okay. Operations management के लिए we have a specialist college, SIOM. So बहुत सारे colleges हैं which comes under Snap Coterie, and I think you should look at it, before thinking about it. Also, don't get flamonks, or don't really start thinking about 98 percentile nahi aayenge. Good part is that you get 2 attempts to write Snap, and best of 2 score is taken, right? So mere hisab se, if you ask me, a college which comes at an IIM category and still we are not applying it, I think it's like not a great decision, right? So mere hisab se aap logon ko in 3 colleges mein apply karna chahiye, right? It's just 1,000 rupees per college, if I'm not mistaken. Aapko alag se apply karna padta hai, so please do that. All right. So in coming videos, we'll be sharing about a couple of more colleges which come under Symbiosis, and we'll deal with it. Any query, if you have it, you can always mail it to me. Okay. Video pasand hai to please go like कीजिएगा, and please share it with your friends. Thank you so much.